Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Youth, unstoppable, run away train.
Go on, Unstoppable family, bless up to everybody we're tuning in right here now. So people, guess what? MACKEREL official is on Onstage, this week's Onstage. Zine, if you don't never plan to watch Onstage this week, make sure you set an alarm and go watch it, because listen me, this show is going to be an epic one. You see from the sneak preview where we see of MACKEREL pan Onstage, MACKEREL break down in her tears and start to blame her poor little mother. I say, yo, our mother is the reason why she grew up right now, and I do the things them where she had do, and I take people man, and I say people man nice and people man good and all these things. You see what I say? So MACKEREL on the preview when I say MACKEREL break down in her tears, people, yes, and start put on one knee for cow balling on the stage, people. Listen me. If you don't ever watch Mari, see, I want to see when time Mari goes up and pull out the envelope and say, you are not the father. And you see the baby mother run backstage and start balling one hip cow balling, and them kind of running the MACKEREL put on. Yo, listen me now, man. That was an epic moment when I see it. You see what I say? I'm not gonna lie. Me did have to crack a little bit of laugh until me go in the comment section of the video and me see people start, all of the MACKEREL supporters, them I bash, everybody will laugh, and I say, yo, oh no laugh, not knowing that for laugh, ray. But people, if you don't see it for yourself, no for no go laugh too. You see what I say? But on a serious note, MACKEREL blame my mother, say her mother is the reason why she do the things that she do, because she never have nobody to hug her and love her growing up and tell her, I say, yo, me love you growing up as a child. So that is why now she grew up and I seek love in the opportunities or the ways in which she can find love. You see what I say? So people, as me say, Onstage this week is going to be an epic one. Don't miss it. You see what I say? Yo, when me look on Winford Williams' expression when MACKEREL run off of the stage, it was like Winford don't know what to say or what to do. Winford was like, okay, what should I do right here? What should I do right now? Winford get lost. Yes, I say. But people, trust me nah miss Onstage this week, and you not miss it, because MACKEREL official is going to be on the show. And people, it look like it's going to be an interesting one. Yes, I say. But anyway, me not stay with you not too long. Wanna check out Wally British I talk about MACKEREL a little bit. See, me so far.
When me say afar, we around one part, around one place, me go find me little man. And me say me insure, say the mistake what I make with the other man them before and tag them, me now make no mistake with this one. I said to myself, I'm not going to tag this one. To how it's serious. My post while like a man was there. And when me analyze it, me I go on a flight. And when me analyze it, me not go be able to watch and monitor the comment them. I want to know stay with me, you know. I want to know keep up with me. When me analyze, say, my post, the little man. And me analyze, say, me I go on the flight, so me not gonna have no internet. So me now go can monitor the comments them. I gave somebody my password. Who this now when me do my business? Who is this now when I'm doing my business? I said to myself, I am going to give somebody my password so that they can sign into my Instagram. Just imagine the risk what I ran. I said to myself, I am going to let somebody sign into my page to monitor my page, that if anybody make the mistake and tag the man, somebody in my page we can delete the man name right away. That is how far me find the man and decide say I'm hiding the man. I want to tell me some I got my bed last night. The local man worked the night shift last night. You mean for tell me so when the man come in, I'm a run through and me check the man phone. When me run through, I me check the man phone because I knew from heaven to earth so the scavenger and them out here plentiful. When me go so bam so and check the man phone, mighty God, somebody tell me. I just want to understand. Somebody just break this down to me. Somebody just break this down. Let her put on the phone because I don't want to drop it. Let her put on the phone because I don't want to. Somebody please explain to me and let me know if this is right. Me say, overcome Tommy. Me go through length for hide the man. Me say, Moisha, me go through length for hide the man. So true, me know the seriousness of mackerel. Me said to myself, babes, I do not want to go to the North Coast. I do not want to go to the North Coast. We're going to stay in Kingston. Me do my research, you know. Me do my research, you know, and I like me not do my research, you know. And you go tell me no. You go look for me now and tell me now. So after I go to Bamstow and find a good man and come back, we in America now. Come back we in America now. When me look at my man work overnight last night and when me wake this morning. When you wake this morning, I look. I go to Bamstow and check the man phone this morning. When me look, Mackerel official one follow such and such. Me say wait. Mackerel official one like such and such. Me say to myself, say don't stop. Somebody be scared of the phone come so now when they know my face now watch your man. So I go to Bamstow and get up and go watch my face and look again. And I say don't stop. I want fake page this. When we go to Bamstow and circle the page, a mackerel, somebody do a mackerel official one. Then uno tell me no. I say I go to Bamstow and look and analyze say a mackerel. I say to myself, say Jesus Christ. Not no good. Everybody though, when I say not no good, nothing at all. Do not go. Remember, you know, time ago them say 5:34. Remember, we have 10 minutes left. 10 minutes remind me. Just tell me now if this is fair. Only just let me know if this is fair because I don't publicize the man. I do not publicize the man where upon God earth and how through which part mackerel walk. Where mackerel walk. Which curb and channel. Which curb and channel mackerel go through. If you try to find this a little man, then so me not have a man. Me not going to care have a man. What again else I must do? What again else I must do? Because I say I don't hurt the man. I don't hurt the man. You can imagine when me look and see mackerel official follow mackerel. Then tell me what I got next now if the man not strong. I tell you something. I don't know which part Pancard earth mackerel find and walk and find and walk and find and work. Remember, you know, $250,000 me have, you know. $250,000. And the wickedest thing is that mackerel not see me on the gram to follow me. Remember that mackerel do not see me on the gram with $250,000 followers to follow me. I mean for tell me say me not a mackerel. I mean for tell me say mackerel do see somebody with $250,000 followers. And mackerel find somebody with 3,000 followers. Oh, somebody explain that to me. Oh, because I don't understand. Remember me alone the day I told with the man when the man say hungry and he want a piece of jerk chicken and I buy. Me never see mackerel now a piece of him say want a piece of jerk chicken. So how no on my head. How am I ready? Where everything me have planned, everything set into place, everything I come on nicely and know this. Let her tell you something. You said today. You said today is not a good day.
Alright, so now you Wally British have said, but we don't know say Wally British are antics woman already. So me not feel like nothing really go say. Is that why I say Wally British just like troll people both times. I feel like she just a troll mackerel right now and nothing serious. Is that why I say a Wally British that. But anyway, people comment in the comment section, share your views, your thoughts, your opinions. We would love to hear from it. We answer to every single comment as long as it makes sense. Is that why I say so start reading in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to Unstoppable TV yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So once we upload a video, you will get that alert. Also, in the description box, there's going to be the link to our live channel, Unstoppable Live. Make sure if you go over there and go subscribe as well. We do giveaways over there from time to time. Last week we do a giveaway and only for people win some money and all these things. Yes, I'm here say, watch out man, it's Unstoppable TV. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.